Welcome back to Rick Ricks. In this challenge video, behind me there is a huge mountain. This ultimate challenge, if Ron reaches on the top before me, then I will give him 10 grand.
Reaching over there?
Yes?
Bro, it's quite difficult task for me, bro. But for 10 grands, I can try. I will.
You have to do, bro. For your kids, for your family, for your girlfriend, for your career.
Yeah, bro. Ultimately.
Ron, come here.
What now, bro?
But there is a catch, bro.
What?
I have hidden $1,000 at some distance from each other. If you pick them while going up, then it will be additional income for you. Ron, on the top of the mountain, I kept the tripod where the grand prize is. You have only 1 minute. After that, I will start chasing you.
Okay.
So go. Oh!
It seems that I have come a long way. Let's to go now. I think there might be money. Something is fishy here. Oh, she's there. Oh. I got it. Now I have two paths in front of me. One to this and another is this. Where to go? Let's find out. I think I'll choose this path.
He might be have gone through the first checkpoint. It's pretty evident he got the money. I have two paths in front of me. One is this one and another is this one. So let's find out the evidence. I can see his footprints. He might have taken this path. Let's go. I can't see him. He might trick me.
I think I'll choose this path. Meet you there. I think now I will be finding another spot where money can be found. Let's see. So this is the spot. Let's find something here, huh? I think I should be climbing over here. Huh. It's so slippery. Like a monkey, I've climbed, but nothing is there. I have to see more. Wait. Up here. Where? Oh, I think I found something. Okay. Another dollar in cash. Aha, fine.
I think I should take shutter. Guys, this was the second spot where I kept the money. Let's see, money is here or not. Oh no, I think he got the money.
I think I found some sitting spot. I must take some rest over here. I can sense this place is extremely fishy. Oh! I found the money. I think I should move forward now. Let's go.
I know he might have taken rest here. I also should take rest. I know while taking rest he might have forget about the extra cash which I have hidden here. Guys, he's much ahead of me. I think I should leave now. Guys, I am near the fourth spot where I have hidden the money. Look, see, you have taken the money or not. How can that clever fox missed it out? Finally, I saved some cash. Let's move ahead.
I can see something. Wait. Oh! I got the cash. Let's go ahead.
I think we are on the top of the mountain now. Guys, fifth spot is too easy for him. He got the cash. Guys, I can see him. He's over there. My strategy will be I will take another path. This one. I think this path should be right. While going up and up, it's become too scary. I might tricked him. Guys, I think I might reach before him here. Let's see. But cash is here. Beside it. But where is he? Oh, cash is not here.
I think I found the location, but not the treasure. Oh, some bag is there. Wait. Oh! Guys, finally I got the prize. All of them. All. Rather than hiding, I should go behind him. Yes, I think he is there. I can see him. I should hide. Guys, do you know? I have tricked him and now I am behind him. Brother!
Ron, I thought I tricked you, but you tricked me back. In total, Ron earned $14,000.
Yeah, 10,000 for winning money and 4,000 the money which I have.
Bonus money.
Yeah, bonus.
What will you do with this money?
I have very little dreams.
And little kid also.
Not now, but if she says, why not?
So before signing off from the video, subscribe and share the video.
And do like the video.
With money you can buy everything. Even these small buildings too. Very small. World is so small. Enjoy it.